So we're making a 4-foot circular window casing. It's 3.5 inches wide. In order to lay that out properly, it's a 4-foot diameter, so you need to figure out that it's a 24-inch radius. So you plop that out, you make your center point. You're pulling 24 inches to either side, and that's going to be the inside cut of your radius. Then you're going to mark 3.5 inches outside added to that radius. So that brings you to 27.5. When you're making the trammel for the router, you need to account that you're going to cut on this side of the inside line and on the outside of the outside line. So you have to adjust your offsets. So I have this laid out right now with different pivot points on my trammel, and they're all marked for different radiuses. So the ones I'm going to use for this 3.5 casing are this inside 3.5 and outside 3.5. And I added 3/4 of an inch to account for the router bit size. So when I plug this in for an inside 3.5, this router bit is going to be riding on the inside of this line as I go through. And then when I switch it to the outside, it's going to be 3/4 on this side of that line.